for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ram 4500. Ram 4500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag, child safety locks, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.